Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have Mason Greenblatt.
Hey.
Hey, and Robert Greenblatt here. Today we wanted to jump on real quick. Did you know that there is a little known mortgage program with zero down? And no, we're not talking about VA loans because VA loans are pretty well known, but there's a little known program out there that a lot of people don't know about, and it's called a USDA loan. And let me dispel a myth before we tell you about 3 things that you need to know about this loan. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. The little known myth here is that, you don't have to buy a farm to qualify for a USDA loan. You don't have to grow carrots or raise cows to qualify for this. So here's the 3 things that you need to know about USDA loans, because it might be a great fit for you. Mason, hit us with one thing. Number one.
USDA loans, $0 down. There's a true there's a $0 down payment. So, most buyers might be putting down 5%, 10%. Right. USDA is 0.
Yep, exactly. 0 down, similar to a VA loan in that way, but very different in many other ways. But literally no down payment. FHA loans are 3.5% down. Conventional loans, like you mentioned, could be 5, 10, 20% or more, and some other loan programs. But a USDA loan is 0 down. I'll give you another point. So that was one thing, 0 down. The other thing you need to know about USDA loans is that not every property will qualify. Don't worry again, you don't have to buy a farm. However, the USDA on their website has very specific areas that qualify. So the first thing with the USDA loan is to do a USDA address lookup. You can Google that, right? We do that all the time for our clients. And here's the deal, right guys? It's not clean, at least in this part of the country. So I can't say that a specific town is all USDA approved. The USDA lines seem to cut through towns for the most part. There are some exceptions. So depending on where you're shopping for a home, it might work perfectly. 0 down USDA, 0 down USDA loan in an area that is USDA loan approved. So that's 2 things. And what would be the 3rd thing here, Mason, that we need to let people know about?
I think it's not on a farm.
All right, it's not a farm. It's not a farm. It's 0 down. And actually, real important thing to know here too, guys, is there are income caps when qualifying. So when you're speaking with a mortgage professional who is familiar with USDA loans, and of course we know mortgage professionals that are, there are income limitations for a single or married couple or family, and there's formulas there. So if you make 7 figures, you're probably not going to qualify for a USDA loan. But we've serviced lots of clients who can qualify for a USDA loan, and the income caps might be a little bit higher than you think. So keep that in mind, guys. If you're shopping for a house and you're working with limited funds, depending on where you're shopping, we may be able to get you qualified for a USDA loan, 0 down. You don't have to buy a farm, and we just have to watch the income limitations to get that done, right?
Yep. Yeah. I mean, I think it's worth, exploring the option. If you can qualify for a 3.5% down FHA loan, why not explore and see if you can put no money down and get a USDA loan? Yep.
Exactly. And the industry doesn't make it easy for you too. If we end up helping you and you're looking for a home that falls into a USDA area, searching on all the consumer websites, including the multiple listing service, which we use, not easy. We can't really filter for USDA approved mapping. They don't kind of communicate well, but we have a pretty decent idea of what areas are USDA approved. So let us know if we can help you with that. And then of course we cross-reference it right through the USDA website, and that probably would make a match. All right. Anything else you want to add there, Mason, or is that a wrap?
I think that's it. 3 things, and I think that's the most important.
Okay. USDA loans, 0 down, guys. We will see you again real soon. When you have a second, please click the like button, click the subscribe button. It really helps us grow this channel. Have a great day.
Thanks, guys.